Before we get started, check out the description to find out how you could win a Nano Ledger S. A renowned crypto professional has taken the step to share his thoughts on how you can make millions through Cardano ADA. The best strategy to use in investing is to learn from a professional who understands the market quite well. Apart from research and analysis, learning from experience is also essential. Cardano has been repeatedly tagged as a millionaire maker coin, so let's find out how. Be sure to watch this video until the end and not miss a single thing. Alex Becker is a famous, multifaceted online marketer who has made it big and continues to invest his wealth in projects that he believes will continue to yield millions as he pursues his interests. One of the main projects that has ignited his popularity is his internet marketing training on Shopify and YouTube, which established him in the internet marketing space. Becker seems to be a refreshing success in the online space. He is truly enjoying the world at his own pace despite his net worth. His net worth is estimated to sit around $10 million, though he continues to strive for more. On his YouTube channel, which is under his name, he recently posted a video about how cryptocurrencies will recover from the crash and skyrocket to new highs. He didn't fail to include Cardano ADA. He emphasized the essentials of investing in cryptocurrencies and the best strategies to use in the market. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, one of the biggest challenges for investors is not getting caught up in the hype. Digital currencies have quickly risen to prominence in the portfolios of many retail and institutional investors. At the same time, analysts like Alex Becker have continued to caution investors about the volatile nature and unpredictability of cryptocurrencies. According to Becker, one of the most fundamental questions you should ask yourself before making a cryptocurrency investment is why you are doing it. There is a myriad of investment vehicles out there, many of which proffer great stability and less risk than digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies tend to follow a particular price pattern, and Bitcoin often leads the way among digital currencies, which tends to follow its general trajectory. News of an exchange hack, fraud, or price manipulation can send shockwaves through the cryptocurrency space, underscoring the importance of watching out for what is going on in the space more broadly. However, Cardano ADA has made efforts to keep those demeaning situations at bay. For every overnight Bitcoin millionaire, many other investors have poured money into virtual token realm only to see the money disappear. Investing in this space means taking a risk. By doing your homework before investing, you help give yourself the best chance of success. Alex Becker did not fail to acknowledge the essence of patience in this space, specifically for cryptocurrencies like Cardano. Cardano's price could experience another sell-off. The swing lows experienced in June are unstable. The ADA coin price looks like it's setting up for a sweep the lows event, targeting a retest of the 40-cent barrier, and probably the May 12th swing low at 39 cents. Like many other cryptocurrencies in the market, the alternative smart contract token coils in triangular fashion. However, unlike its peers, the ADA price never established a progressive rally throughout the last weeks of June. Cardano is still trading at 45 cents. The ADA coin price could introduce traders to open an unjustified long position, believing that the triangular pattern will continue to hold. All the same, patience pays if you want to make millions in Cardano. It will save you from heartbreak before Cardano skyrockets to potential new highs. The rising competition from the other top Ethereum killer candidate, Solana, is starting to look like the crypto that would give Ethereum a run for its money. So between the underwhelming performance of Cardano and Solana as the new altcoin rising star, should you stay away? Well, not so fast. For now, Cardano may not be much of a great trading opportunity. It can stay stuck at its current prices or even drift lower in the short term. However, when it comes to long-term potential, Cardano remains the star. It is a still viable play. With time, as more DeFi and dApp developers are ushered in, it will quickly become widely used. In turn, this will enable it to see further, albeit gradual, progression in price. The long-term prospects of the coin remain very bright. Unfortunately, its middling performance could go on for some time. Even the post-Alonso profit-taking got swept out on time. Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, has been touring across Africa looking for ways to promote the coin usage across the continent. But it's going to take something major, like the Hydra upgrades, to compel more investors to dive into ADA. Hydra upgrades in the upcoming Vassal hard fork could retrieve its prestige and assist blockchain catch up to Solana in terms of scalability and speed capabilities. While the crowd sits on the fence, this may be your opportunity to enter or add to a position in this token. In the case of this high utility crypto, competition from Solana and Ethereum may run high. Even so, it will remain one of the most widely used cryptos with further price gains. If you are in search of a short-term crypto to make millions from, for now you may just want to stick to the names making the headlines. But if you are looking for a crypto you can approach as a long-term investment, then ADA remains such a good opportunity. ADA's current low could be a winning move in hindsight. In the coming years, as the usage increases, it stands to see a substantial price rise. Then your millions can come forth. Furthermore, many investors are not impressed with the current price of ADA and have continued to vent their frustrations across different social media platforms. They find it uneasy to believe that the same ADA, which spiked to a high of $3.10 in September of 2021, has dipped to more than 85% to date, plunging them into significant losses. Well, some investors have taken the patience pill and are still optimistic about ADA's future prices. Charles Hoskinson has sent a message to investors who are eager to make fast gains on ADA. He noted in an interview with the London media outlet City AM that the best way that Cardano can bolster the value of ADA is to proffer solutions to real-world problems and increase the blockchain's utility. He highlighted Cardano's main focus, which he strongly believes is capable of boosting the value of ADA to higher levels, thus living up to his millionaire maker role. We are focused on the growth of our on-chain metrics, such as transaction volume, which is still increasing month on month, so it's looking incredibly positive. Moreover, the Cardano project has come under heavy scrutiny since its inception, with many derogatory names such as Ghost Chain used to describe the blockchain. The major frustration stems from the pace the development team has taken to roll out significant upgrades, which are considered relatively slow. Hoskinson and the development team are not flinched by these criticisms as they proceed to follow a measured and careful approach in a bid to protect investors. Hoskinson stated that the Cardano usually writes code slowly to avoid making similar mistakes made by other blockchain projects in the past, which ended in disaster. Cardano does not just want to usher you into the world of millionaires for a few days or months. It is after retaining you there, hence the slow but careful approach. Irrespective of the shades aimed at Cardano, the team is not prepared to change its mode of operation, which has the possibility of ruining everything that is built in years. We have always pursued a defund, clearly staged roadmap to deliver on Cardano's capability and fulfill its long-term potential, Hoskinson said. Recall that Cardano postponed the launch of the Vassal hard fork so that it would help its development and other projects to check for bugs and provide relevant fixes before it's eventually rolled out. Patience is key. Although there are some skeptics in the market looking to sell off before any major loss occurs, the altcoin is still winning investor support, whose resilience and patience are looking good for Cardano. The number of optimists who are buying and hodling in the hope of recovery will soon exceed the panic investors. Investing is perhaps the most popular and beginner-friendly way of making millions with Cardano, which, unlike trading, involves constant buying and selling of Cardano tokens. Active traders seek to make money off of marginal fluctuations of Cardano tokens, while investors hope to grow their wealth gradually as the token price increases over time. Making millions with Cardano and retaining it to create wealth is not a complicated issue. You need to remember that not everyone who buys cryptos, like Cardano, makes money. Succeeding and turning a small ADA investment into a fortune takes salient experience and a little bit of luck. But what are your thoughts about this? Let us have them in the comment section below. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.